In this video, we are going to learn about linking worksheets using 3D formulas. It is a very useful function in Excel. So let us have a look at it. So first of all, what is the data given here? It's a each division. There are various levels in the organization: associate, manager, senior manager, director, and partners. And this is the salary paid to them quarterly. So in first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter, what is the salary paid to each level in particular division? So this is the whole table regarding that. So there is a similar table for West division, North division, and South division. So what our task is, we have to combine the whole data in one sheet. So how to do that? So we will do equals to, then we will go here, add, then here, add. No, stop there. It's not the correct way to do it. There are only 4 sheets, so we might be able to do it faster in this example, but where there are many sheets, it would be very difficult and a bulky task to do. So I will tell you a more efficient and better way to do that. So let's have a look at it. So we will select equals to. Now we have to write a 3D formula. So it will be sum. We want to add that, so we have selected sum. Now what we will do, go to east division, press shift, and then go to south division. So all the 4 tabs are selected. Now in all the 4 tabs, what you want to add, you have to select that. So we will select D5, that is quarter 1 for associate, D5, then close the bracket and enter. Now it has taken the sum of D5 in all the 4 tabs, that is east, west, north and south. Now what we can do is just drag and paste it here. Let's see what will happen. Perfect, it is happening, but there is one thing. You will see that by dragging it, our perfect borders made for this sheet are ruined. So how to make it correctly? So go to here, autofill options, select fill without formatting. Now our formatting will not be changed, only formula will be copied. So select it again, then drag it downwards, do the same thing again, fill without formatting, and the combined data for east, west, north, south division is ready. So this is how we use 3D formulas to link worksheets in an efficient and better way. Thank you.